We introduce ourselves as leading digital media and animation company of Central India, Horizon Infotech, e-learning design consultancy experience, one of the leading training provider and content developer of digital media and animation, developed content for various local and national and international clients, includes Idea Cellular, Mahindra Finance, MCTE, Indothai Securities Limited, Synergy Education International, United Partners and Consulting Solutions LLC, Naidunya Media Services, Infantry School Maho, Life Science Dynamics UK, Revelation Consultants UK, Shakti Pumps, Auto Genomatrix US, Icer Volvo Limited. Some of our other clients: e-learning design consultancy, experience at government organizations, MP Police, AV Film for Medical Health Security Scheme, NGO, Indoor Management for AV contents during IMA Conclave, Indo Traffic Police, 3D Animation Film for Awareness, Police Radio Training School, AV Film and e-learning contents, Commercial Tax Department, Ministry of Finance, MP Interactive Presentations, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, AV Film for Light and Sound Show. Design consultant offering. We have the capability to offer complete consultancy as well as project education for Army War College and similar other organizations. We have highly competent team of professionals with work exposure in top-notch animation studios, production houses and e-content companies of India. Our team members has exposure of executing over 200 CBTs across various army establishments. Due to our long-term association with Aptech Limited, Symbiosis and TCS, we are sure to deliver solutions most effectively. Our expertise of 17 years in digital media industry and base of Indore will be highly advantageous for fulfilling your requirement. Our view of services offering. We will be able to offer consulting on appropriate solutions for creating e-learning contents best suiting your officers learning at Army War Colleges. Implementation methodology. We will deploy few executives to examine and understand your complete requirement and suggest appropriate solution. Our team will carry system and will have on-campus interaction with SMEs at Army War College. We will study tactics, operations, various arms and services related topics. Based on research conducted by our team, we will suggest appropriate specification leading towards selection of most competent vendor. Level 1. Layout and framework. Creation for LMS design. Usage of text, graphics, color. Level 2. Content development using audio visuals, 2D animation, and computer graphics and creating assessment methodology. Level 3. Evaluation process, marking scheme, content security, usage of 3D animation and integration with Moodle. Few tools for developing the e-learning applications. Overview of our implementation methodology. We will study the curriculum of the courses at AWC. We will interact with the subject matter experts at Army War College. We will prepare consultancy document for content creation to include number of hours, the type of content, including text, audio, video, animations, etc. Approximated cost estimates shall also be worked out by us. We will suggest suitable LMS and associated platform that will be suitable for implementation within the campus during the pilot project, followed by the national level implementations. We will suggest suitable like network architecture for all India implementation of the project suiting online as well as offline working. We will study the entire system while being on campus at Army War College. We will prepare draft document for preparation of suitable RFP for implementation of the project. Our team will be prepared for prolonged hours on the Army War College campus for continuous interaction with the college core team and SMEs, thereby implying that during the course of consultancy, our consultants will operate from indoor on daily basis. We will be responsible to identify and suggest and recommend a bank of suitable vendors for content creation, management, and also for LMS and associated platforms. We ensure to be vendor neutral to enable dispassionate selection of suitable vendors, preparation of draft RFP for the final project. 17 years of experience in creating digital media contents, cross-functional teams with extensive industry exposure, Central India's first market-driven top-flight talent incubation facility for grooming industry-ready professionals, strong industry interface, exposure to full educational services and delivery systems via Symbiosis World Campus